This coil decides whether a transformer lasts 25 years or fails in months. And it begins right here, the LT winding. This is an LT winding machine in action. Two operators, one at the front, one at the back, coordinating every single turn. The conductor used here is aluminium, and because LT winding carries heavy current, precision is everything. Notice the paper insulation between turns. That thin layer prevents internal short circuits. At the ends, cotton taping is applied for mechanical strength and protection. Watch the tension control. Too tight, insulation damage. Too loose, movement during fault current. Every turn must align perfectly, because once this transformer is energized, there is no second chance. This isn't just aluminium being wrapped. This is precision power engineering. Now look closely at the layering. This isn't random winding. The number of turns is calculated precisely based on voltage ratio and core design. Even a small deviation affects the output voltage. The paper insulation you see here doesn't just separate turns. After oil impregnation, it becomes part of the transformer's dielectric system, increasing insulation strength. Now imagine a short circuit on the secondary side. Fault current rises instantly. Huge mechanical forces try to push these windings apart. If the winding pressure is weak, displacement happens. And once windings shift, internal faults are almost inevitable. Watch the coordination between the two operators. One controls alignment, the other manages feed and tension. This is machine precision, combined with human skill. What looks simple during manufacturing actually determines whether this transformer runs safely for decades. It will go through pressing and clamping. Proper compression locks everything in place to withstand short-circuit forces. After assembly, the transformer is dried and oil-filled. The oil works together with the paper insulation to increase dielectric strength and provide cooling. Once energized, this LT winding will carry heavy current continuously, handling load changes, temperature rise, and even fault conditions. And if precision was compromised at this stage, failure becomes only a matter of time. This is just the LT winding. If you want to see HT winding, core assembly, complete assembling process, tanking, oil filling, and how a transformer is built from start to finish, let me know. We can bring the